KOHLER offers a wide range of pivot shower doors designed to fit any size showering space. This video demonstrates the measurements and information that will help you determine what size KOHLER pivot door will fit in your bathroom. Proper fit and function of KOHLER shower doors is dependent on accurate measurements, so always remember to measure twice and order once. KOHLER pivot doors are reversible, so they can be installed to open to the left or to the right. KOHLER pivot doors are also adjustable and designed to accommodate walls that are up to 3/8 inch out of plumb and bath or shower ledges that are up to 3/8 inch out of level. The following measurements will help you determine what size door is right for your showering space. Write down all measurements for future reference. Measure the width of your opening along the ledge. Then measure the width of the opening about 5.5 feet up from the ledge. Measure the height of the opening from the ledge to the ceiling. Measure the height of the showering space. Measure the width of the flat surface on the ledge and walls. If there is a lip on the front of the ledge, measure from the back of the lip. Once you have all your measurements, go online and reference the specification sheet for the door you are looking to purchase. Confirm that the width of your opening falls between the opening width min and max numbers listed on the specification sheet. Then confirm the height of your opening meets the minimum installation requirement for the door, and the height of your showering space is greater than the door height. Finally, confirm the width of your ledge and walls are greater than the depth of the door. One last thing to keep in mind with pivot doors is the swing radius. Confirm you have enough space in front of the door for it to open properly. If any of these measurements do not meet the requirements on the specification sheet, KOHLER offers a full range of pivot doors that are sized for any shower opening. Go online to find a door that fits your bathroom measurements to complete your own custom look in your bathroom.